Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Ononette is a small community within the town of Grand Bay-Westfield in Kings County, New Brunswick. Although it is a small neighborhood rather than a separate municipality, it forms part of the greater Grand Bay-Westfield community, which has a population of just over 5,000 people. Ononette sits along the St. John River, surrounded by mature trees, established homes, and easy access to both the river and nearby highways. Its location gives residents the advantages of country living while remaining only a short distance from the city of St. John. The history of Ononette is closely connected to the settlement of the lower St. John River.
Thank you very much.
Long before European settlement, the Wolastoqiyik traveled these waterways for transportation, fishing, and trade. Loyalists began settling throughout the region during the late 1700s, helping establish farms and small communities along the riverbanks. The fertile land, forests, and river made the area well suited for agriculture, logging, and transportation, laying the foundation for the communities that still exist today. During the early 1900s, Ononette became a popular summer destination along the St. John River, with more seasonal cottages than almost anywhere else in Westfield. Many of those cottages have since been converted into permanent homes, reflecting the area's gradual transition into a year-round residential community. Housing in Ononette consists mainly of detached, single-family homes on generous lots. Some properties overlook the St. John River, while others are tucked into wooded areas that provide privacy and natural surroundings. Home values have increased over the past several years as more buyers have looked for communities offering extra space within commuting distance of St. John. In the Grand Bay-Westfield area, average home prices have generally ranged between about $350,000 and $450,000, although prices vary depending on the property's size, age, and location. Even though Ononette remains one of the smaller named communities in Grand Bay-Westfield, it reflects many of the qualities that have made this part of New Brunswick an attractive place to live. Its history is tied to the railway, the St. John River, and generations of local families. for watching!